friends, and welcome to our beautiful 1-bedroom, 1-bath, 873 square foot floor plan. And this one is called the 11F3. And as you see, as we walk in, we have this beautiful dining space or flex space. It could be a work at home space. We let you decide that. But here you see the kitchen. We have this nice island with the raised countertop. And so this area here can probably seat 4 or 5 people, depending on what type of seating arrangement you choose to do. And then here is our kitchen with wall-to-wall cabinets, nice size refrigerator. And let's go ahead and open this up. We see we have the ice maker with the catch bucket inside and lots of space here in the door, as well as here in the refrigerator. These racks will hold the 1-gallon jug or 2-liter soda, whatever it is you're drinking, it'll hold it, and plenty of space for your groceries. As you can see here, we have under cabinet lighting, and they're separately controlled, so that makes it great for you if you're coming in late or if you're doing movie night. That's perfect to have that nice dim light, or a candlelit dinner without the candles. And then we have the stainless steel appliances, as you see, nice huge microwave over a glass top range. Here on this side with the sink, it's double sinks. We have the pull down sprayer head to make it easy to wash dishes or wash your vegetables, and a garbage disposal inside the sink, as well as our dishwasher here. And look at here, no space is wasted. Lots of cabinet space underneath here. And there's another view of that flex space. And then coming this way, huge living room area. So if you have that sectional, go ahead and bring it, theater seating, or just something nice and comfortable for you. It will definitely work in this space. Huge walls there for the flat screen. And this particular view is with the lake, so you're seeing lots of water and palms out there. And of course, it wouldn't be complete without having this nice patio. So nice huge patio, which is screened in, so bug free and ready for your enjoyment. And here's that look from here. As you see, lots of space. This is a 9.5-foot ceiling, so you have a nice bright and airy feel inside this apartment home. And here's the bedroom. As you see now, the flooring is carpeted, a nice plush carpet, whereas here was your wood floor, which is very easy to clean. Ceiling fan with lights here, lots and lots of light. Even with the ceiling fan off, you're going to have a lot of bright light in here. Coming here is the bathroom. And as you see, this bathroom is huge for a 1-bedroom. You're looking at double vanities here, double mirrors. You know, this is fantastic. And look at all of the cabinet space. We have 20-inch tiles on the floor here. And this floor plan, we have a full-size tub and a stand-up shower. I mean, that's amazing. Where else are you going to see that? Nowhere but Lake Vue. And here we are in this nice size walk-in closet. Racks already here, but we left a wall for you to be creative as well. And then coming here right off of the closet, we have it tucked away. Here's this huge washer and dryer. This is a stackable, and it's the extra large drum here, so don't have a worry about washing your comforters, towels. It will all fit there. And here's a surprise thing here. You see this door? This door goes out to your kitchen, living, and dining area. So what does that mean for you? Yeah, that means your guests will not have to go through that bedroom door. They're not going to cut through your room. They're going to go right here and just enter the bathroom from here. Isn't that amazing? Absolutely. Well, definitely visit us on our website, which is rentlakevue.com, to check for availability for this lovely floor plan. And again, this is the 1-bedroom, 1-bath, 873 square foot. The floor plan is called the 11F3, and we'd love to have you come and be a resident here at Lake Vue and enjoy this lovely floor plan. See you soon.